We could go anywhere.
Good day, everyone, and welcome to Dutty News, where I talk about trending things that I see on my timeline. Let's get into our top stories. And first up, Miss World 2019, 2020, 2021. Toni-Ann Singh gets things popping in Next to Me music video.
You make me wanna run, run, run. Heart be racing like a drum, drum, drum.
No man, what a woman can sing. The voice there, honestly, at some point in time, I swear say a PR song. I could have never featured that. All the part when them a kiss, oh God man, Tony have to take time and mind the man pop off. Okay, and now on the side of Popcorn, I have to commend him because doing an emotional song. Because the last time we heard Popcorn doing something lovey-dovey, this is what he was saying.
Girl, calm down yourself.
Now, in other music news, Grammy-winning artist Coffee invited Wakanda star Letitia Wright on stage. No man, I love it. I love it. I'm not going to focus on the facts and unnecessary things on the comments there, but I love it. Honestly, here for it. And Coffee, if I can bring her to Jamaica so I can squeeze in a little interview, because yeah, I want to talk about what I think I'll come in a Wakanda tree. Well, Black Panther tree. Jesus, wow, my Jamaican here, Wakanda tree. And now moving things right along, a young woman was seen in a video doing what investigators call tap dancing. No, honestly, I'm proud of the young lady here doing her thing. Remember when me at about 12 years old, I tried for the tap dancing. My mother licked me in my head back and tell me something to mash up my school shoes. So, that is where that ended. And now, moving right along, now, Asian chopper songs are the in thing now.
Sorry, mate, sorry. Yo,
No, okay. If everybody had a chopper song, I feel like, them can get a piece of the pie too. Now, can I have a little dad joke time? All right, so, what do you call a Chinese scammer that you have to take to court? A chop suey. You get it? A chop suey? Yeah. Now, in more Asian news, this is what Japanese dancers are up to currently. No, what can't Japanese people do? I mean, except from getting Jamaican people to stop calling them Misachi. Yeah. Now, moving things along. Now, a woman was escorted out of a church service after her phone rang out playing this particular song. Oh, wow. No, honestly, so the same thing reached me some months ago when I got to church, but instead of that song, I did the one, yeah. And now switching things up, a bride was reprimanded by her father for twerking on the dance floor at the wedding reception. You see, all it takes is that one look. You see the one? The one? Yeah, man. Whole heap of people get for just fall to them knees and do. Well, oh no, not fall to them knees. That's on our way. Oh. Now, heading in a different direction, now a girlfriend interrupted her boyfriend's interview and dropped several gems.
What about you? What's your biggest turn on? What's your biggest turn on?
I can answer that for him.
I said I'm sleeping over.
Alright, the biggest turn on is them out of shape girl and them with the curly hair.
I said I done. gun.
No, the brother they need to lift the relationship right now. That was premeditated savagery, like Zanab from Love is Blind.
You have single-handedly shattered my self-confidence.
Oh wow, all right, no muscle feel it feel. Jesus, crime cool. Wow. Now the mad woman. I mean the vagrant who was seen in the New Kingston, video. Somehow reveal her backstory.
In a school.
Yes.
But for a friend and company.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in small and and school class.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm intelligent, I'm school class and then I come out to be a whore.
Backside.
Well, okay. I don't know. Hey, but here's what. Stay in school, kids. Crack K is wacky. Well, is it really though? Because yes, it is whack. Of course it is. Gosh, man, I lose a little job there for nothing. Money too good, worse at Christmas season. Now, it is being reported that several African countries have this practice in place, in which when a horse is sick, only a woman who has only known one man in her lifetime is able to jump over the horse to cure it, to heal it, to bring it back to life. Now on the phone, I have the president of the Jamaican Horses Association to, see if he has witnessed such support from the Jamaican females.
No.
No, honestly, it's only one Jamaican woman I think should run to the rescue. And now let's get into another story. Now, the world's tallest martial artist shows off his moves.
Sipa! Oh, talon! Sandang ka lang. Grabe.
Guess what I did right now? I just totally tricked you because it is opposite day here at the newsroom. For example, on the teleprompter right now, they're telling me to read that Duttyberry is very smart. Wait, hey! That's not nice. And now let's get into a feature called Animal Stories. Animal Stories! Woo! Alright, so first up, a recently divorced bird was seen celebrating her newfound freedom. Oh God, I remember when the dancer used to kill off people left, right, and center. Woo! Yeah man, dark times, dark times. And now, ever wondered what dogs do after a long and hard day at work? Well, look at this video. Yeah man, I can't tell so the dog there is a trapper. The dog there trap the line, man. Yeah man, love likes. Well, that concludes Animal Stories. Now, let's get into this video. Now, a younger brother was being quite mischievous when his older brother decided to snatch him up.
You don't need that? No! You don't need it! Come on, you home now.
Oh boy, I know about the life there. I know about the life there because younger siblings can be annoying. And when you're the older one, are you ever get the blame? Right now, I'm just like, sometimes I just randomly just like cut my brother in his face just because of all of the trauma when put me through. Yeah. Maybe I need to heal and say a shrink. And now let's get into a new feature called Grandma Report. Grandma Report. Alright, so first up, a young man who was accused of manipulating his grandma's facial features by using the popular TikTok site.
Oh, yet. Then, how am I then look so?
That's how you always look. It's always
No, it's sad. Jesus Christ, me, I then pluck out.
Yeah, man, certain games I would have played my grandmother because she'd have probably tell me, say, at least she look better than me for my best day. And no, here's why you should never ever mess with a Jamaican grandma.
If Brazil win today, me give a sister call.
Give her your deadhood.
Huh?
Go and give her your deadhood. Don't put me in it.
Oh God, shame a kill me. Shame a kill me. Second hand shame. Wow. Them big woman your face, you know. Wait. Hold up. Now, information reaching our news team is suggesting that someone's grandma is getting loose at a popular Kingston restaurant. Do we have the footage?
Whose grandma is this?
Now man, people, that is what you call a Hilangoli swipe. Oh no, or maybe a senior swipe. Yeah, let's work with that. Senior swiping. I can't tell you. I'm shut my mouth right here now, because Broadcast Commission, nah, take another fine today. Well, now let's get into our final story. Now, a woman issued a public apology to R&B sensation Ciara. Take a listen.
Ma'am, Ciara, I gotta tell you something. It's been weighing heavy on my heart for years. Back when I was a kid, it was a rumor going around about you that you was a hermaphrodite. And Lord knows I don't know why they told me that, because I was telling everybody. I was telling anybody who would listen. I helped spread that shit so quickly like a forest fire. And you know, it's crazy now because now motherfuckers be calling me a hermaphrodite. I'm convinced that each piece of hair that grow out my face represents each person that I told you was a hermaphrodite to. The Lord said, oh, bitch, I'm gonna fix you. And that he did.
No, that is exactly why karma is a biatch. Well, that is it, people. We've come to another Dutty News where I talk about trending things that I see on my timeline. Do take care until next time.